Self-confidence. Believing in ourselves is key to success. Self-confidence is a crucial component of success in all aspects of life. It is the belief in oneself and one's abilities that allows individuals to achieve their goals and reach their full potential. When we have confidence in ourselves, we are more likely to take risks and pursue our dreams, as we trust that we have what it takes to succeed. On the other hand, a lack of self-confidence can hold us back and prevent us from reaching our goals. We may second-guess ourselves and hesitate to take action, leading to missed opportunities and unfulfilled potential. Therefore, it is important to cultivate self-confidence through positive self-talk, setting achievable goals, and celebrating our successes along the way. Believing in ourselves is not always easy, as we may face setbacks and challenges that shake our confidence. However, it is important to remember that failure is a natural part of the learning process, and that we can always learn and grow from our mistakes. With a strong foundation of self-confidence, we can overcome obstacles and achieve great things. It is important to note that self-confidence is not the same as arrogance or overconfidence. Arrogance involves an exaggerated sense of self-importance and a disregard for others, while self-confidence involves a healthy belief in oneself without diminishing the worth of others. Moreover, it is essential to recognize that self-confidence is not something that can be achieved overnight. It takes time, effort, and patience to build and maintain. It requires a willingness to step out of our comfort zones and take on challenges that push us to grow and develop. In conclusion, self-confidence is a valuable trait that can lead to success and fulfillment in all areas of life. By cultivating it through positive self-talk, setting achievable goals, and learning from our mistakes, we can overcome obstacles and achieve our dreams. Remember, believing in ourselves is the first step towards achieving greatness.